Guys, the moment of truth. Kapasitor, baligtaran yan kahit saan. Okay yan. Ito yung kulay, coding. Number 3, red. Black mid 2. 1, white. Sabi ko sa iyo, pag tinester nyo, kung ano yung mas mataas, yun ang number 1 na reading. Okay. May ground dahil nasaksak ko kanina na nagkaroon na ng storage yung capacitor. Nagkaroon ng power kaya medyo may ground to. Okay. Unti lang naman. Okay. The moment of truth. Start natin. One, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Guys.